people. So see, yesterday, as of yesterday, I applied henna, and there is this whole thing of I included coffee powder. So that's what that prevents that bright orange color of the henna. And no, yeah, like I have these very long discussions with my little sister who's based in the States, and I've just realized that when we get sent on this planet, it is so that we you learn patience, you learn hard work, you learn so many things. So literally this world is like a school. So and what is school without all these tests? Though the school that I've sent my child to, I'd rather not have tests for them there, but tests are a way to test a person, right? So, I mean, the more I see of life, the more I realize just why we are here. It was to cultivate these habits and discipline and all. And if you notice, that's what the ones who learn their lessons fast and quickly and easily, it's like they get that release ticket to go to the other dimension. I mean, you might think that what is this, for putting in so much hard work, we are just allowed to, just it's time to go type. But no, it's actually a kind of you've passed the test, that sort of feeling, because apparently the other dimension, if you do your job here well, is really beautiful and all of that. I don't know, I've never spoken like this in any of my other videos, but I just felt like sharing this, so here it is. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.